is ธีรเมธแพรงาม Please call me Pet. I'm 12 years old and I'm in the 6th grade now. Today, I'm going to show you how to make bologna sandwich. It's easy to make. Are you ready? Okay, start with ingredients. First, sandwich bread. You can choose brown or white bread, but I recommend brown for your health. And then, bologna, mayonnaise, slice of cheese, and last some lettuce. I will begin now. First of all, take some mayonnaise on slice of bread. And then add cheese on top. After that, add bologna like that. Next, I put some lettuce on top. Like so. Finally, close sandwich and press like that. And this, my delicious bologna sandwich, ready to enjoy. It's really easy. That is great for breakfast. You can do it by yourself at home. Please give it a try. I will see you soon, guys. Bye bye. Take care.